What's this?
That ANNATTO-E. So this is something that's really interesting. Vitamin E. So that's a really interesting area because, funnily enough, there was a lot of research and studies came out showing that vitamin E can do more harm than good.
Huh.
But it was a particular type of vitamin E.
Okay.
So this one is now, there's a lot of great research on this particular vitamin E, which is from annatto, a particular type of plant. And this type of vitamin E is showing tremendous effects, again, all across the board for metabolic health. So this form, the tocotrienols, is what these are called, the delta. So the other ones are, I'm terrible at remembering how to, because when you're reading stuff, you don't necessarily know how to pronounce it all the time.
We'll show you some grace.
Yeah, but but the original kind of vitamin E are the other ones that are, and again, this is the problem we talked about multivitamins, why I don't necessarily like them, because they can put the wrong forms of things in there. So the one that has been shown to almost cause more harm than good is the alpha other type.
Okay.
So, but these ones.
We'll just focus on this one because you can pronounce this one.
Yeah. So the anyway, tocotrienols. These have been shown to be very effective. So, for instance, it'll reduce your LDL cholesterol a huge amount. So, for instance, it could be like 170 something, and it brings it all the way down to almost 100.
Wow.
So incredible drops in
bad
LDL cholesterol,
quote
and
unquote.
Big drop in triglycerides as well, like could be 30%, and that's just in a couple of the studies. So yeah, and again, it has all these other really good health benefits as well. So incredibly good as an antioxidant. So this is something that you're going to see more and more of as well. So very interesting supplement to keep an eye on. And I'll probably refer to Chris Krezer because he talks a lot about this. So I listened to a couple of his podcasts on it.
Shout out to Chris.
So if you want to go, yeah, he's phenomenal.
He's awesome.
So highly recommend looking into that as well for all-around metabolic health. Really interesting stuff coming out of that. And we might do a deeper dive at some point into a lot of these, but just wanted to kind of give a quick overview of the things that I think are worth looking into, and we'll try to give a lot of links because, again, once you go into any like nitric oxide, you could do 10 hours.
You can get down the wormhole.
Yeah, so I just want to give a little overview, and the things that I definitely think are going to be ones that are going to benefit people's health and to look into further. So
awesome.